Hi friends, welcome back to Madhuvasantha Vlogs. Today we are learning how to make mango plants out of seeds. We are going to start off with peeling the mango, taking the pulp off and exposing the seed. After you expose the seeds, you have to dry them for 2 days. After the seeds are completely dry, try to carefully trim the edges like this. Be gentle. There will be a seed inside, so let that not be destroyed. So be careful. And now you can split it open with your hands. There you can see the actual seed from which the tree will be grown. The next step is putting the seeds into the water. Make sure they are not completely submerged in the water. The bottom part should be in the water and top part should be in the air so that they can breathe and sprout easily. It took 15 days for the seeds to germinate, and a tiny root came out of each and every seed. Then we transferred all the seeds into the soil. Make sure you put your seeds flat on the soil, putting the root side down, so allowing the plant to come up on the top. నాన్న మున్న చూడు ఒకసారి రా. It is a good idea to note down the dates of each and every process so that you can keep track of it. And also make sure that you are pouring enough water, not less, not more. Just make sure that the soil is always moist so that it will further help in the germination process of the seed. The embryo starts growing in the seed and the plant in the seed bursts out of the outer coat and pops up from the soil in search of the sunlight for the photosynthesis to make its own food. That will take at least 15 days, approximately 15 days, for the plant to pop up of the soil. Make sure these small plants are getting enough sunlight, water and plant food for better nourishment to grow into big beautiful plants. We repotted them into bigger pots to make sure they have enough space to grow, and this whole process took 3 months approximately. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let us know how you felt, and if you have any experiences growing out of seeds, share with us. And please share this video to your family and friends if you think it is useful, and please subscribe. Bye bye. Be inspired, be fit, and Happy New Year. Bye bye.